Hi, I'm Lenny Rudow from BoatUS. And you know what, people? I thought I was wearing a perfectly good inflatable life jacket. I mean, after all, I checked the inflator indicator to make sure it was green, but I was wrong. What I didn't know is that manufacturers have a very specific set of maintenance tasks that need to take place on an annual or sometimes biannual basis. Now, of course, every manufacturer is a little different, so you want to make sure you read the owner's manual for yours and follow the directions to a T. That said, let's go through the basic process. First off, give it a basic visual inspection, make sure there are no tears or fraying, make sure the straps are in good shape. Then I'm going to open the life jacket up and remove the CO2 cylinder. Give it a close inspection to make sure there's no rust anywhere. If there is, I'll replace it. And let's take a look at the bobbin. And then I want to look at the white pill inside there and make sure it's intact. Remember, most manufacturers recommend that you replace that at least annually. Now, I'm going to actually orally inflate the life jacket. All right, that's about it. And this next part, of course, we're not going to do this right now, but at home you should set this aside and leave it overnight. In the morning, check it. If it's not still completely firm, you need to replace that life jacket. Now, throughout this entire process, keep some soapy water and a rag on hand, wash off any dirt, make sure your life jacket's good and clean, and then let it air dry. Whew, finally, we're ready to rearm and repack this life jacket. Now, if you're not sure how that process goes, be sure to watch our rearming a life jacket video, and of course, also check your owner's manual. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And as for me, people, it is time to do a little fishing. See ya.